Application Security Group, that is called ASG. So what exactly ASG is? ASG is think that ASG is the way of group of virtual machines and based on their rules and function so that you can apply the security rules easily. Now let's like putting similar people in the group and so the security guard means a network security group can apply one rule for whole the group instead of each person, right? Let's say you have a three type of the server. One is the web server, another is database server, third one is the application server. Normally you had need to create the NSG network security group rule for each VM separately. That's a lot of work you need to do for that. Instead of that, what you can do, you can put your all the web servers into a ASG called web ASG, right? And put all the database server into another ASG called DB ASG. And now you will tell to NSG that allow the traffic of the web ASG and DB NSG on the port of 1433. Right. This is the example which I am telling you how ASG works. Now come to the definition. Application Security Group ASG is the way of a group multiple VMs together logically for the simple network security management. That is the thing which I explained here, right? Instead of managing our IP address in NSG rules, you can refer the ASG in those rules, making the configuration dynamic and scalable. How it works? You assign VM to ASG like web server, database server, then you can in your NSG you can allow and deny the between the ASG instead of specific IP. Let's say you have ASG web server that contains web application ASGDB server that is called ASGDB server, right? Now create the NSG rule like allow the web server to DB server that is port 1433, right? Deny rest of the means deny other all other traffic on the web server to DB server. If you add and remove the VM either group, the rule automatically apply. No need to update the IP address, right? So manually. So this is the way we can do your work very easily. Create the ASG. Inside the ASG, create the all the set of rules. And if you want to add any VM remove any VM, then what you have to do? You have to put in that ASG only, and rest other things will done by ASG. So this is the called ASG Application Security Group. I think now everything is clear about the ASG and NSG. Let's take about the example. Purpose. This is a feature. Network security group contain network rule, network traffic application security group of VMs of rule management, level, subnet and NIC. That is the VM grouping within the NSG. For example, allow HTTP to VM and in ASG that allow the web server to DB server. Right.